What happened to your phone, you said, miss?
I was at a party and a kid wanted to play with my phone. And I left and then I came back to it and I didn't realize that it broke after a long time later.
Don't worry. I got you. Pew! 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 We are going to transfer Face ID to new screen. Screen is fixed. Let's transfer her data. Time to fix back glass. Surgery time. One more time, laser. Cleaning time. Glue time. We are going to clean the inside broken glasses and we're gonna apply new water sealed. Your phone is ready, miss.
Well, thank you so much. Well, take your phone. Take your phone.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
That's it.
Looking good?
Yes. Thank you.
Thank you so much, man.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a